Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we'll learn about the CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how you can share the CapCut project with your friends on a CapCut mobile. Just need to open your CapCut applications here, and then you just need to take a look on this one, the me, and then make sure you already know the username and password of this account from the TikTok, and then you just need to go back into the edit section. Now you just need to decide which account that you want to share. So let's say I would like to share this first project. Go click these three small dots and upload to space, and then you just need to go click the project folder that you want to place it and click upload. Click this for you to know the updates, and just wait until the video project here is perfectly uploaded. So let's say here those is already uploaded, where you can see the project. Just need to go with this library, and there will be space here. Just go with view all, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on the top side here. There will be a plus button there. Go click it, and then you just need to go click copy the link, or you can just go find other way to share this into your friends. Whenever you're done, you just need to send the link into your friends that you want to invite or share the project with. So that is today how you can share the files with your friends. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and thank you for watching. Let's meet again to other tutorial.